Hello, friends.
Hi.
Who out there is hosting any bridal showers this season? We are! Today we're going to be showing you a DIY sparkling water bar to be making at your bridal showers that you're going to be hosting.
Yes.
We're coming to you live from the Zulily headquarters, and today I brought my mom Julie here with us.
It's good to be back.
She is just an absolute amazing hostess. I am Shelby for all those who remember, and we're going to be showing you how to make these drinks.
It's that season where we need lots of ideas for different bridal showers, wedding showers, all the things. So today we brought some sparkling waters.
Yes, and tell me about the flavors we have here.
Oh, this is going to be so good. So we have watermelon and basil first.
Yes.
Then
Delicious.
we have lemonade.
That is your favorite.
Fresh mint, my favorite.
Fresh mint.
And grapefruit with rosemary.
And that would be my favorite
That would be your favorite. Yeah, so lots of great ideas. We want to get started and show you how easy it is and fun to infuse these flavors together.
Yes,
We
and
chose
you really
some great
only
ones.
need 3 ingredients, right?
Yeah, super easy to do.
Sparkling water, fresh juice,
Fresh juice
and some
fresh
herbs.
Yep. And we've got everything coupled together. We just thought about what would pair well together with the flavors of waters and
the
juices
herbs.
we chose. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Let's get started. Which one should we make first?
I think you should start with yours, the grapefruit.
The grapefruit. I am all about that.
So put some ice in your cups. Now if you're gonna host a bigger venue with more people, you can set it up like this, or if you wanna do big canisters with each flavor in these canisters, you can do it that way, whatever.
Yes.
But it's fun to do a bar where people come up and build themselves.
Yes.
Which I like. So
We want to start with our
start with
sparkling
your
water.
sparkling cider.
And filling this up about halfway.
Full, yeah. You've got this. It smells so good in here, you guys. I wish you could smell how fresh this is. These fresh fruits
for the
and
best
herbs.
part,
Oh, and this is your
The
favorite.
combination, yes.
The grapefruit.
The grapefruit
And
juice.
you can get so many juice flavors. These are just some of the ones we chose because they're very spring-like and they're just light.
Amazing. I can't wait to taste
And
test this.
I think they're flavors that people
And you were
generally
telling
enjoy.
me, yeah, definitely. You were telling me there's some fun ways we can garnish it to kind of make,
Make it
the
pretty.
refreshment bar look beautiful. So what do you have here?
So with yours, as you can see, I did the grapefruit. So we're gonna grab a piece of grapefruit
All right.
and you can just, to
yeah.
separate it, just go like this and set it over the top. I should have let you do that. See, I'm getting excited.
And then just grab some of the basil.
Add your garnish. And this is just fresh. It smells so good.
You could grab it right from your
rosemary.
garden.
Smells
Beautiful.
good. Okay. And then to top it off, you
A
have to have
paper
a cute
straw.
paper straw.
And
Make
look
this all
at
fun.
how adorable that looks. Perfect for bridal showers.
So pretty, and it smells so good. Are you gonna try it?
I am.
Should I try some?
That is amazing.
Okay. That's actually good.
Oh, so
Tastes
good.
very
Well, we
good.
should make your favorite drink
Okay,
now, the lemon.
Okay, so do you want to try it or do you want me to?
We can make it together.
Okay, so again, starting with your ice and just fill it up. I like a lot of ice in my stuff. Of course, we all know this.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Okay, and now add some of the sparkling water. Now I'm thinking food is starting to sound good with all this.
Yeah, the bridal showers, you can do this for brunch. That would be great.
Yeah.
And the great thing about this for a sparkling water bar is it's a refreshment that is good for all ages.
It is. This
And
is
it's
fun for all the kids to get involved. And like we talked about, if you do that where it's an actual bar where they come up and make it themselves, the kids can get involved because they're always kind of walking
some
around. What do
mint.
we do? So now we're going to add the mint to this. This is my favorite.
And I love these because
So pretty.
It's something that's unique. Like everyone
very
does the
unique.
standard mimosa bar, but a sparkling water bar, sparkling water is so in. Everyone
is.
loves sparkling water.
It is.
Give it a try. It
going
smells
to.
delicious.
Oh, it's so good.
You went back for a second.
Cheers to all of your
Cheers.
bridal and wedding showers you may be hosting.
Yes, and there's also one last thing that you were telling me about to make the sparkling
yes.
water bar just a little bit more
I
special.
almost forgot. And you're going to have to try this out, Shelby.
Yes, so you can get chalkboard signs to label that you have a sparkling water bar all set up wherever you have it in your home, whether it's by pastries or your breakfast.
On the counter, wherever you think it's going to fit. You can see we have a sample of what I've done today, and we have a larger and smaller. And then just for the purpose for you guys to see, I'm going to have Shelby use the larger. But 2 ways to do this. You can actually buy these neat little markers. They're chalk markers, or you can get regular chalk.
Yeah, I'll use one of the markers.
Oh, you're so funny. So chalk, if you can believe it, I did mine with chalk, but they make dustless chalk. And this is a fun tip for you guys. Usually your chalk comes like this. I use a basic sharpener, and I sharpen my chalk to get real fine lines. So just to throw that in, it's really fun to do. But look at you, you're done.
Yes.
That was
well, thanks for that little tip. It just makes the sparkling water bar even more special for the bride-to-be.
Right.
Thank you all for joining us.
Yeah,
we hope that you try this out at your bridal shower this season. And make sure to check out Zulily for all your other needs for the bridal shower.
Thanks for joining us.
And thanks for joining us.